Good morning, friends. This is Mama. Today is Fried Pie Friday, and today is raisin pie. 1 cup of raisins, 1 cup of water, and I'm going to let this boil for 10 minutes. Now that the raisins has cooked 10 minutes, I'll add my other ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of salt, one teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now this will go on the stove until it's thick and ready to put in my pies. Now that it's coming to a boil, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm using unsalted. There's not too many people that like raisin pies because of the texture, and I can understand that, but some people do. Now I'll let this cool down a little bit, then I'll start making my pies. Now I'll start rolling my biscuits out. I couldn't find a 5-count can of biscuits this week, so I had to get a 10. So I'm going to be making 2 different kinds of fried pies today. I'll keep a couple and I'll send some home with my daughter. My filling turned out really good, and it tastes good too. I haven't had raisin pie that much, but they have a really good taste. Now I'm going to get all my pies made out, and then I'll go back to the stove and fry them. Now that I have them all rolled out, I have my skillet of hot oil. I just drop them in there. You don't want to overcrowd. And canned biscuits, they brown faster than regular dough, so you want to be careful with that too. turn them one time. Now these are finished, good and brown. I'll take them up and I'll add 2 more. And here they are, all finished, nice golden brown. I kept one out to cut into. Really good. I don't think you can beat a fried pie of any kind. Y'all have a good day and thanks for watching.